Natalie Lynch is a credentialed investigator and licensed attorney, not a vlogger.
What do you do when you're physically afraid of someone? A lot, I hope, because there's probably reasons that you're afraid of this person. So hopefully you can have a second investigator in the room. Hopefully you can get personal protection to attend the meeting. So again, depending on the level of threat, that might be somebody like a security guard. That's usually a licensed physician in states. You can think of bouncers, but they're more sophisticated forms of bouncers. But somebody who is licensed in personal protection to stand either outside the door or to stand in the room as a silent observer. You'll want to work out something with that person to be like, unless he gets up and makes an overt act towards me, or unless I, give you the signal, whatever the signal is, please just stand there as a silent observer to this investigation. And you're probably going to have to explain to the person, this personal protection individual standing in the corner is in fact here for personal protection. There have been some threats raised about physical violence in the workplace, and I need to be safe. So we've asked, George, the physical protection person, to participate in this investigation with us. You do also want to make sure that the physical protection person does not come between the person you're interviewing and the door, because again, then you're going to have some potential for claims of false imprisonment, because it could be, oh, well, this big security guard isn't letting me leave. That was scary to me. But unlike in other investigations, if you do have a credible reason to be afraid for personal protection, you may place yourself between the scary individual and the door. Whereas in a normal situation, we would want to make sure that everybody has equal access to the door. If there is a threat of physical violence, you may want to be closer to the door than the person that's causing the concern.
Mom, you have to tell people to like and subscribe.